Hey y'all, Chadwick Boyd here. You know, the holidays are really special, especially for me. I love to cook, bake, and entertain. And the holidays are not complete without a cocktail. So I've got a very special cocktail to share with you and to introduce my brand new holiday friend, the Cosmic Crisp Apple. I've taken 5 pounds of these and I've juiced them down, and you can see by the gorgeous color of the skin that when you juice them, it's got this beautiful pink-red color. We're gonna play that up with a cocktail. So this equates to about 6 cups of fresh, very sweet and a bit tart juice. I'm gonna pour this in. And then take a cup of gin. And for an extra pop of color and a little bit of balancing out, I've got this Campari. And that's a half a cup. And then to finish it off, a red sweet vermouth, and this is 1/3 of a cup. Give it a nice stir. And put it in a nice festive pitcher, just like this one. Really elegant. And I've taken some sparkling sugar, which I don't know if y'all know about this, but sparkling sugar, you can find it in a baking store or cooking store. It's about $4 or $5. And you just dip it into a little bit of water on the rim. And it comes out really pretty and sparkly like this. Drop in a really nice ice cube. Holidays are the details, right? And there you go. The crisp Miss Punch with the Cosmic Crisp Apple. Happy holidays, y'all.